Causebox might be one of the best monthly subscription boxes for women. There are so many reasons to try out Causebox, but if you want to get a feel for what a Causebox even is and what's inside it before you buy one for yourself, then keep watching. If you're new to Artsy Cupcake, welcome. I'm Maria and I'm a full-time graphic designer. So I love hopping onto YouTube where I share tips on bringing creativity into your everyday life. I share fashion lookbooks, home DIYs, and recipe videos with some cupcakes in there, my favorite food of all time. So please consider subscribing if you like cupcakes and all those other types of things too. I am here in my newly decorated bedroom. If you missed out on the 4-part series where I show you the before and after and the whole process of redecorating my master bedroom, make sure to check those out because it's really fun. It's been a really fun month of June putting it all together, and I will leave all those links in the description box below in case you want to check that series out. I have 3 favorite subscription boxes: FabFitFun, Box of Style, and my most recently discovered Causebox. If you have heard of FabFitFun, Causebox is really similar and it's $49.99 per season, and you get a nice variety of home, beauty, and fashion products curated for fall, winter, spring, and summer. It's always exciting to get a Causebox because I learn about new companies, and since their focus is on companies who are doing something that are ethically good, whether it be saving the oceans or fighting human trafficking or just supporting women-owned companies, I love that each Causebox features new companies that have a purpose behind their brands. Before your box ships, you will get an email saying you can make a few selections if you are one of the annual members, which means you just buy all 4 quarters at once. There were several items that I got to choose from with colors and patterns, so I will show you the other options that they gave me as I'm going through the products. I'll also link any of the items that I can find below in case you miss out on this season's box so that you can create your very own. Some of the items are made just for Causebox, so I will try to find something similar if it isn't available to purchase. Okay, so let's just get right into this unboxing. I have been wanting a straw tote. I got a black macrame bag in my Box of Style, so this purse rounds out my cute summer bags for the season. It's from the brand Altru, and it's made of straw, and it came with a little cute yarn tie. I like that the little tie is removable because I will switch this out all summer long with different scarves and pom-poms. It'll be really fun to dress it up and change up the look. Altru is very concerned with protecting marine life and keeping plastic out of the oceans. They partner with many charitable organizations to make an impact. Next we have the Quagga Green wet pouch. These wet pouches are great for when you go to the pool and then you have to travel home and you're packing but your bathing suit is still wet. You just pop that wet bathing suit into this little bag and nothing else in your suitcase gets wet. I had never heard of the Quagga Green brand, but they are hyper-focused on creating lines of sustainable and ethically made products. What's really cool about this company is they use recycled materials. I had the choice of another color on this sweat bag, but I went with the blue because it just makes me want to go to the beach. A summer must-have is sunscreen, and this sunscreen is from the brand All Good Skincare. And they keep your skin safe from non-sketchy products to make your sunscreen. So they make it more natural and more environmentally friendly and just better all around. I'm excited to try this one out. I love these banded together scrunchies. The colors are so pretty and summery, and I haven't worn scrunchies for a while. I just love how all the styles from when I was younger are coming around again. You know you're getting older when that starts happening. So I'm just embracing the scrunchie movement, and I will wear these proudly. They are really soft, and the brand also makes super soft headbands, scarves, and other accessories. The company's mission is to empower women and be ethical through every step of the production process. I love how they put a postcard in these boxes. They're always featuring the artist who designed the outside of the box, and they have a different illustrator each time. I am going to attempt her name here, Ana Luisa. She's from Australia, and she loves to illustrate people connecting with nature. She does this to show how important it is to make positive changes for our environment. This illustration of the girls in the water is so cheerful and perfect for summer. What a cute little tumbler. It is the perfect size to toss in your car or your purse, and it's lightweight yet durable with that 100% recycled stainless steel that it uses. It's from the brand Reduce Every Day, and the company is committed to sustainability and protecting our waterways. They partner with a charity that does river cleanups. Have you heard of the Halalai skincare brand? Let me know in the comment section below. I am completely new to this brand, and from what I can tell, I like it already. Halalai uses exotic ingredients inspired by Hawaii. There was the option to get this face cleanser or the aloe gel, and I chose the powder face cleanser because it reminded me of the Tatcha rice powder foaming face wash, which I got, I think, in one of my box of styles many seasons ago, and I loved it. You just add a little water to the powder and it turns into a foam, but it has a little bit of grit to it, so it's like a very gentle scrub. This is great for traveling too, because you don't have to worry about the bottle leaking any liquids when you're traveling. We will see if this one ends up being one of my favorites. I have a good feeling about this one. This caftan is from the Tribe Alive brand. You can wear it over your shoulders, around your waist, or even as a towel at the pool or a blanket for a picnic. Tribe Alive uses female artisans from India. I had a hard time choosing my pattern because there were so many pretty colors. Something new I did for the last spring season of subscription boxes is I tested all the products out in my box of style, FabFitFun, and Causebox, and then I did a top 5 favorite items from all those, and I shared that with you. This gives you some insight on which subscription boxes are the best ones out there. Check out the spring video of favorites to see who the winner was from spring, and I will be sure to do one for summer too. Let me know in the comment section below what your favorite item was. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very happy day.